Hello student, in this video I will teach you how to create ad unit in Google AdSense. So log into your Google AdSense account and click on by ad unit. So it is our 5 type ad unit. So we have discussed this is one by one. So first we discuss display ads, and it is my ad unit which I have created for my website. So first we create the recommended display ad unit. So click on this display ads. So this ad unit has a 3 type: square, horizontal and vertical, and in size it has 2 type: a responsive and a fixed. So when you created this ad unit, so you show that you have click on responsive, not to fix. So first we create square ad unit. So write your ad unit name for which website you create this ad unit. So I create this ad unit for my job website. So I written in square ad unit for VidiQ job. So you have written down your website name if you have 2 or more website, and then click and ad size you have compulsory check to responsive, not to fixed. So it is responsive and it is a square unit, and then create, and for my this ad unit will be created. So I have click on done. So how I check this ad unit? So written down my website name, Park govt, and then check on display, and this ad unit, square ad unit for Park govt job is showing is 10 o'clock, because this ad unit I have created on that tab. And how to get this code? When you have created some article and place your ad in your blog post, so then you click on that area, get code, click on that, and the code will be open, and then copy code snippet and place this code in the area where you want. So I want to see this, how to place this code in your website. So wait for to load my website, and then go to post, all post, open my this post. Post is opening. I have used ad blocker because I don't want to see my own ads, because it is a safety. If you see your own ads, so Google maybe penalize your website. So I suggest you to use ad blocker to don't watch your own ads. So I have unfused this once to see the ads for you. Click on once, and the ad blocker is disabled, and I have placed this ad code in this area. So I replace this ad code to the current ad code. Select delete, and then paste, and click on preview. So click on preview, and it is your square ad, and then click on update, and your ad will be updated. So in this video we learn how to create our square auto ads. Thank you for watching for this video.